Welcome to Tbaytel TV. We're excited to help you get started and make the most of your TV service. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your equipment to unlocking all the amazing features Tbaytel TV has to offer, including Catch-Up TV, Cloud PVR, and the Tbaytel TV Plus app. Let's get started. Tbaytel TV Self-Installation. Eligible customers have the option to choose self-installation, so you can install your TV service on your own schedule. Follow these steps after you've received your set-top box and are ready to connect it to your TV. 1. Activate your set-top box. Visit tbaytel.net/activatetv or call 1-833-238-6654. If you picked up your set-top box from the Tbaytel store, your box will already be activated, so you can skip this step. 2. Set-top box placement. A. Close to your TV and power outlet. B. Within Wi-Fi range or an Ethernet outlet. C. Off the ground and somewhere that allows airflow. 3. Connect your set-top box. A. Connect the HDMI cable from the HDMI output of the set-top box to the HDMI input of your TV. B. Connect the power adapter to the DC power input of the set-top box. Then, insert the power adapter plug into your power outlet. C. Turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input your set-top box is plugged into using your TV manufacturer remote. 4. Activate the batteries in the remote. Pull out the plastic tab to activate the batteries in the remote. 5. Set up your set-top box. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your set-top box, pair your remote to the set-top box, and to pair your remote to control your TV. Pairing a remote. When you first set up your Tbaytel TV service, if you've lost your remote or just need a new one, then you'll need to pair your new remote to your set-top box. 1. Prepare the set-top box and TV. The set-top box must be positioned so it has a direct line of sight with the remote. If you have to temporarily move the box, be sure that you do not disconnect any of the cables. You can move the box back after the pairing is complete. 2. Put the remote in pairing mode. You will be asked to press two buttons at the same time, the OK button, which is located in the middle of the directional pad, as well as the Apps button, which looks like 9 dots that are laid out in a 3x3 grid. Be sure to find both of those buttons before starting. A. Point the remote at the set-top box. B. Press and hold the OK and Apps buttons at the same time for 5 seconds, or until the remote's set-top box power button flashes twice. C. The set-top box button on the remote should stay illuminated. The remote may need a few minutes to complete some updates and finish pairing. Once the pairing is complete, your remote should be ready for use. How to download and set up the Tbaytel TV Plus app. Tbaytel TV customers can enjoy a seamless viewing experience on the Tbaytel TV Plus app, free with your TV subscription. The Tbaytel TV Plus app is available on iOS, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Android Mobile, Android TV, and Google TV. 1. Visit the App Store. Search for Tbaytel TV Plus in the supported App Store or Play Store. Once you find the Tbaytel TV Plus app, simply press Download. 2. Log in. Use your My Tbaytel account credentials to log in to the Tbaytel TV Plus app. Once you log in, you will have access to all the content included in your Tbaytel TV plan. How to set up a Watch TV Everywhere account. Watch TV Everywhere expands your viewing experience beyond your subscription, allowing you to use applications from channels you already subscribe to through Tbaytel. The best part? It comes free with your Tbaytel TV plan. 1. Visit watchtveverywhere.ca. You'll be asked to select your TV provider from a drop-down list. Scroll down and select Tbaytel. 2. Register. Click the Register button. You'll then be asked to fill out some details about your subscription. Your residential account number can be found on the top of your monthly statement or through the My Tbaytel app. 3. Verify your account. After you've filled out and submitted the registration form, you will be sent a verification email. Open the email and click the link found within to complete the sign-up process. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for your Watch TV Everywhere account to work on Network's Go apps. How to download apps on the Tbaytel TV set-top box. Customers with a Tbaytel TV set-top box are able to download third-party apps. Here's how. 1. Visit the Play Store on your set-top box. Using your remote, click the Apps button. This button looks like 9 dots in a 3x3 grid and can be found on the remote or within Tbaytel TV's home menu. Select the Play Store app from the list. 2. Sign into Google. Sign into your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, then proceed to sign up for one. 3. Search for your desired app. Using the remote, type in the application you wish to download. Once found, simply select the download option. For networks subscribed through Tbaytel TV, log in by selecting Log in with your provider. Select Tbaytel from the list and log in with your Watch TV Everywhere account. How to get the most out of your Tbaytel TV service. Catch up and restart TV. Go back up to 72 hours in the guide to watch what you missed with Catch Up TV. Just choose the show you missed and select Play. If your show is currently in progress, you'll have the option to restart from the beginning with Restart TV. Simply select the show that's already in progress, and you will be presented with the option to watch live or restart. Just be sure to check for this icon to see which channels and shows are available for Catch Up and Restart TV. Cloud PVR. With Tbaytel's Cloud PVR, you can record a show and watch from the device of your choice from anywhere, stored in the cloud. Cloud PVR allows you to set and view recordings from any connected device, record as many programs at once as you wish, and schedule to record a series or single episodes with ease. Voice command. Don't want to type the channel or scroll through the guide? Just ask your remote to find a show or tune to a channel for you. Powered by Google Assistant, your remote can perform tasks for you, like changing to another channel, opening the guide, or going to your recordings. Press the Google Assistant button on your remote and give it a command. The remote will do the rest. Tune to channel 205. Parental Control. Keep your kids safe by restricting their access to programs based on the show's content rating. A. From the home screen, go into Settings. B. Select Parental Controls. C. Enter your PIN. If you have not already made a PIN, do so now. D. Select the content rating you'd like restricted. Everything at a higher content rating will also be restricted. E. Now, when you attempt to watch a show with a rating within your restriction, you will have to enter your PIN before the content can be viewed. Please note that parental controls are set up on a per set-top box or device basis, meaning you will need to enable parental controls on each device you require. General troubleshooting. If any normal functionality is not working properly, try powering your set-top box off by unplugging the power to the set-top box. Wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, be sure to check that the HDMI cable is connected to both the set-top box as well as the TV. Check the remote batteries. If your TV is not responding when you press a button on the remote, it may be because of the batteries in the remote. Remove the back panel of the remote and readjust the batteries, as over time they can shift and lose contact with the connectors inside the remote. If that does not work, try replacing your batteries. No signal. If your TV is saying there's no signal, be sure to check that the set-top box is receiving power by verifying that the lights on the box are illuminated. If they are not on, check that the box is connected to a power source. Then press the set-top box power button on the remote. If there is still no signal, check that the TV's input is set to the correct port. This is typically HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, but could be any of the available HDMI ports. Still have questions? We're here to help. Explore the self-help section of our website or call to speak with one of our technical support technicians 24/7 at 807-623-4400.